Digital caliper measuring tool, stainless steel vernier caliper digital micrometer with large LCD screen, easy switch from inch metric fraction, 6-inch caliper tool for DIY or household. The measuring stainless micrometer fraction household is a digital caliper measuring tool that is made of high-strength stainless steel and is waterproof and dirt-proof. Benefits: the digital caliper glides smoothly and is easy to use. It is equipped with long-lasting bristles that are safe on glassware, water bottles, baby bottles, food processors, and more. The caliper has 4 measurement modes, which can be used to measure inside and outside diameter, depth, and step, with 2 sets of jaws and a probe. The caliper has a large, easy-to-read LCD display which is easy to use and read even under strong sunlight. Drawbacks: some users have reported that the caliper is not as accurate as other calipers on the market and may require multiple measurements to achieve the desired results. The caliper may not be suitable for heavy-duty industrial applications. Overall, the measuring stainless micrometer fraction household is a great choice for anyone looking for a simple and effective way to measure length, diameter, depth and step. It is easy to use, long-lasting and provides a large, easy-to-read LCD display. At a price of $19.98, it's an affordable and convenient alternative to traditional measuring methods.